Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the exact Figma file where the icon must live, then go straight to the Assets panel. This is faster than hunting layers. Once there, make sure libraries are enabled so team or community icon sets appear. You'll see components grouped by library. Use the search box at the top to narrow results. If the icon doesn't show, check that the right library is toggled on and that you have permission to use its components. Once you find candidate icons and assets, drag one onto your canvas and inspect it. You want to check whether it's a component with variants. This tells you how to swap states or sizes quickly. Make adjustments by unlocking the instance and changing fills, strokes, or using color tokens. That preserves the master component. If scaling looks off, use the scale tool rather than stretching, because that keeps strokes consistent. Also, note naming conventions. To finish, select the icon instance and set your export presets, SVG for vectors, PNG for bitmaps, and include 1x and 2x scales if needed. Once exported, test the asset in context to confirm color and sizing match design tokens. If you need a simplified SVG, convert strokes to outlines before export. If an icon is missing or won't insert, first make sure the library is enabled and published. If that fails, toggle the file's team libraries and reopen Figma. This often resolves sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.